If you enjoy construction and restoration projects like this, subscribe to the channel to follow the full journey and future builds.
Every step here will last centuries. This metal will carry a message. Secure it tight. Lift now together. Steady. Keep balance. Hold it right there. This will never move again. It fits perfectly. Higher we go. People will look up to this forever. This shape defines her strength. Slowly lower it. She's getting stronger. This will last a lifetime. She's coming alive. One step at a time. We keep moving. Next, we build her arm. This part will carry the torch. This must be flawless. No mistakes here. These curves matter. Careful, it's long. That's it. Locked in! She's elegant. Good progress today. That light will guide millions. This is the symbol.
If you enjoy construction and restoration projects like this,
This will be
subscribe to the
remembered
channel
forever.
to follow the full journey and future builds.
This part must hold the fire. No room for error here. These will shine someday. Tie it tighter. Easy, steady. Bring it closer. Hold it, Ak. Locked! That's the symbol. One by one. Hold steady. Keep going.
This is only part
Look at her
1
now.
of the journey. The restoration is far from finished. To watch part 2 and see how this project continues,